Clearly see this golden string binding your love forevermore. Anytime that you come into times of struggle, remember this bond and focus on your palms, feeling it coming from your palm and going all the way to theirs. You are then reconnected to the love that was promised on the day of your marriage for the rest of your life. Wonderful. You can allow the image of the golden strand to fade, but know it is always there, deeply connecting you to your sweetheart. An important reminder for a strong relationship is to invest in your marriage in order to grow your bond even stronger. This means to do things for your loved one without expecting anything in return. This means respecting how they are feeling in a situation and ask what they need from you. Perhaps what they need is space in that moment. Or maybe they would like a hug. It is always good to ask what they need.